if the brain's in the right state, all of a sudden we see this arousal take place in the nervous system where they move into these very elegant, very high states of gamma brain waves. And the gamma is like super consciousness. And it's not a little gamma. It's not a lot of gamma. It's not a whole lot of gamma. It's a supernatural amount of gamma. And we see it over and over again. In fact, we had a neuroscientist from UC San Diego at our last event in Denver last week, and she was doubting, a lot, and she saw it on the 128 lead brain scan. And she was like, we gotta measure all the time. But it's all the gamma is taking place in the limbic brain, right under the neocortex, the seat of the autonomic nervous system. The automatic nervous system is on fire, and the frequency is super high, it's super coherent, and it's compressed. And the autonomic nervous system controls and coordinates all other systems. So when a person connects to energy, they're in that right state, suggestible to information, all frequency carries information, right? So now they're suggestible, but they're not getting it through their senses. They're getting it from the field, right? And when the brain is coherent, it can become entrained, and then it acts as a transducer, and the autonomic nervous system goes into these gamma states, and every single cell in the body is being informed by new information, and the body is lifted by light. It's lifted by energy. When that occurs, we see an instantaneous healing that goes on with a person. Like, there's the Parkinson's, now it's gone. There's the eczema, now it's gone.